At number 1, we have the QIDI Q2 3D printer. This enclosed 3D printer stands out as the best overall budget option for users seeking professional-grade performance without a high price tag. Featuring a robust, fully enclosed design with an active heated chamber up to 65 degrees Celsius, it excels at printing demanding materials like ABS while minimizing warping and fumes thanks to its ultra air filtration system. The generous 256 millimeter build volume supports larger projects, while the 600 millimeters top speed, full auto leveling, and built-in AI camera make operations smooth and reliable. Weighing nearly 40 pounds, it's sturdy but not the most portable, ideal for a dedicated workspace. Users praise its industrial-like capabilities, consistent high-quality prints, and ease of use for both beginners and advanced hobbyists tackling functional parts or prototypes. Top seller in the budget enclosed category on Amazon.
At number 2, we have the Anycubic Kobra 3 Max 3D printer. Designed for massive projects, it delivers exceptional value with its enormous 420x 500 mm build volume. This allows printing full-scale cosplay items, terrain, or props in one go, eliminating the hassle of multi-part assemblies. It incorporates vibration compensation for smooth high-speed operation, ensuring quality doesn't suffer on such a large machine. The machine is built for reliability on big jobs with an upgraded dual Y-axis motor for enhanced robustness and stability. Reviewers highlight its speed and precision, opening up creative possibilities for makers on a budget. Highly popular for users needing scale without premium costs. At number 3, we have the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus 3D printer. The ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus impresses with its large 320x 385 mm build volume, making it perfect for life-size helmets, armor, or props on a budget. It offers blazing 500 mm speeds powered by Clipper firmware, pre-installed, dual gear direct drive for flexible filaments, and precise auto leveling via a 121-point mesh. This combination delivers flat first layers and reliable performance even at scale. While the large footprint needs desk space, it's a standout for cosplayers and prop makers seeking high value. Customers rave about the speed, ease of setup, and print quality that rivals more expensive machines. Strong bestseller in the large volume budget segment.
At number 4, we have the ELEGOO Centauri Carbon 3D printer. Built for engineering-grade filaments, the ELEGOO Centauri Carbon is a sleek Core XY speed demon capable of 500 mm prints and handling carbon fiber blends thanks to its 320 degrees Celsius high-temperature nozzle. The 256 mm build volume is ideal for functional parts, complemented by auto-calibration, a built-in camera for monitoring, and out-of-the-box readiness. It shines with abrasive materials where standard printers struggle, though optimal results require some slicer tuning at high speeds. Users love the solid build, print quality, and value for advanced hobbyists or professionals. This model frequently ranks high in reviews and sales for its performance per dollar ratio.
At number 5, we have the ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra Resin 3D printer. For ultra-high resolution details, the ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra is the top budget resin pick with its 7-inch 9K monochrome LCD achieving 18-micron XY precision, perfect for museum-quality miniatures and intricate models that FDM can't match. It features tilt release technology for faster, 150 mm prints, auto leveling, self-check diagnostics, AI camera, and resin monitoring to reduce failures. Setup is beginner-friendly, transitioning smoothly from filament printing. The main consideration is standard resin workflow, ventilation, and post-processing. Enthusiasts praise the sharp details, reliability, and convenience features that make it a bestseller in entry-to-mid resin printing.